Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Honda key fob battery replacement used for many Honda models, different years. These two look almost the same. 4 buttons, 3 buttons, it doesn't really matter. Both of them use the same battery, it's the same process. So the battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. What we do, we take the emergency key out. We have to move this to the left and we pull the emergency key once again. Now, see, there is a space between these 2 spots right here, in between, right there. We stick the key and we turn, okay? Clockwise, once again. Very easy. Stick it in between the 2 and we turn and it opens. Now what we have to do is simply take the battery, which is, as I said, CR2032 with small flathead right here underneath. Okay. This is a good battery, so I'll use it. And then we put it back in, first to the left. We press, we push, make sure that everything is good. Put the key fob back together. Put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go, no need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.